Everyone, my name is Sujit Ubale and today the seminar topic is lean manufacturing under the guidance of Professor Mone Yadav ma'am. So, first we will see the content of this PPT. First is the introduction, then problem statement, then objectives, then methodology, then literature survey, then state of art, then future scope, benefits, conclusion, and last one are references. So first of all, I will introduce the topic. So lean manufacturing can be thought of as a systematic approach to reducing waste in production process. In this sense, waste is anything, activities, processes, tools, materials, personnel that does not add any value to the product or service as viewed by the customer. So, lean manufacturing means the reduction of waste which leads to increment in production. The waste is divided into seven categories, that is overproduction waste, wetting waste, transportation waste, overprocessing waste, inventory waste, that is storage waste, movement waste, scrap or defect waste. So, here is the difference between the traditional method and lean method. So, in order to increase output in traditional method, it can be achieved by the increasing the workforce, increasing the working hours by adding number of machines. Whereas in lean method, it can be achieved by the eliminating waste by focusing on efficient use of equipments and peoples. Uh, Lean method minimizes issues by standardizing the work. Uh, Lean focuses on simplifying complexity and providing right product in the right amount at the right time. So here is the problem statement. Some recent studies says that failure rates of lean programs range between 50% and 95%. To analyze this level of performance from lean, a problem solving perspective, continuous improvements, experts should be asking why do so many companies fail to achieve lean success? So here is the answer for this question, why lean fails. So due to lack of resources, due to lack of expertise, due to high initial cost, due to poor supply chain structure, due to absence of continuous assessment of every individual in the organization, due to psychological factors such as fear of losing the job on account of its implementation, due to natural calamities. So next is the objectives of the lean. So to improve quality, to improve elimination of waste, the overproduction waste, waste of unnecessary motion, waste of inventory, production of defects, waste of waiting, waste of transportation, waste of overprocessing. These seven types of waste are reduced by using lean methods, lean techniques, and lean tools. So another objective of lean is to reduce time, to achieve continuous improvement. Then next is the methodology of lean manufacturing. Lean principle. Lean principle consists of five steps. First is identify the value, then map the value stream, then create a flow, then establish pool, then seek perfection. So first step is the identify value. Value is always defined by the customer's needs for specific product. For example, what is the timeline for manufacturing and delivery? What is the price? Like this information is very important for defining value. So next second step is the map the value stream. In this we draw the map of the flow of material or product through the process. Process can be design, production, delivery or customer service, and goal of mapping is to identify every step that does not create value and then find ways to eliminate those useless steps. So third step is the create flow. In this, make the value creating steps occur in tight sequence so that the product will flow smoothly towards the customer without any interruption or delay. So fourth step is the establish pull. So this means the improved flow time to market is also improved. So improved flow time to market also improved. So this means the customer can pull the product from you as needed. So fifth, that is last step, is the seek perfection. As from step 1 to step 4, value is specified, value streams are identified, wasted steps are removed, and flow and pull is introduced. Begin the process again and continue it until a state of perfection is reached, in which the perfect value is created with no waste. So, this is the flow of the Lean principle: identify value, map the value stream, create a flow, establish pool, seek perfection. So, here is the explanation for the Lean principle. Then, next is the Lean manufacturing cycle, that is PDCA cycle, that is plan, do, check, act. First of all, make a plan, then do it, then check it, and then act accordingly. So here is the literature survey of five research papers. First title of the first research paper is the study of lean manufacturing tools and techniques implementation in the Andhra Pradesh silk production industry, and result of the research paper is the shows that many companies in the silk production industry are committed to implement lean manufacturing. So, second is the literature review on the effect of lean and sustainability on quality management systems for SMEs, that is small medium enterprises. And research shows that SMEs need to adopt integrated lean and sustainable manufacturing as this can address economic and environmental concerns together. Today's small medium enterprises needs to understand increasing customers demands and global competition. So, third research paper is productivity improvement by implementation of lean manufacturing tools in manufacturing industry. The result shows that it is evident from the research paper studied that Kanban, continuous flow, and TPS are the most commonly used lean tools in the organization. So fourth one is the impact of lean strategies on different industrial lean waste. This paper shows that the lean manufacturing strategy's impact on lean waste, which is very important to make available a better solution for industry to select a good strategy for related waste. It will help to save the implemented cost and time also for industry, which results a high efficiency. And the last research paper is Kaizen a case study? Kaizen means continuous improvement. So Kaizen implies change. The Kaizen methodology endeavors to give unified consideration regarding both processes and results. Kaizen gives ideal information for future execution of anything. So next is the state of art. The main potential of the lean manufacturing is the ability to improve the company's competitiveness in the market. To achieve this purpose, the primary goal of lean manufacturing is cost reduction or improvement of productivity through response to change and waste minimization. And based on the research studies reported by the researchers, the integrated lean sustainable manufacturing system can be defined as a system that creates value for the customer by eliminating waste consistently and by adopting processes that are eco-friendly, economically viable. Then next is the future scope for lean manufacturing. Lean principles have begun to play a key role in a variety of industries beyond manufacturing that are now faced with adapting to the quickly evolving technologies and markets of the internet age. As companies transition from the industrial economy to the digital ones, lean philosophies are influencing nearly every aspect of their business. Lean's core concept of maximum customers' values while minimizing the waste feels quite appropriate to our times, as there is an increased need for organization to better understand what customers truly need. So in current times, most of the companies are using lean manufacturing uh, or lean tools to improve the company's competitiveness in the market. Companies like Nike is one of the best example. Then Toyota in 1990s, we we can see the achievements of the Toyota by using the lean manufacturing. So Intel, Ford, John Deere, Tesla are also using the lean concepts. So, as we know, the lean manufacturing first developed by the Taiichi Ohno at Toyota Motor Company in the 1950s, but it at the time it is only a conceptual framework. But in 1990s, Toyota production system used a lean concept in practical and achieved great success nowadays. Nike is also using lean to lean most efficient way. So next are the benefits of the lean tools or lean manufacturing. It reduces scrap and waste. It reduces inventory cost. It cross-trained employees are available. It reduces cycle time, it reduces obsolescence. Obsolescence means the value of that product. So low space facility requirements, high quality reliability can be achieved, lower overall cost can be achieved, self-directed work teams are available, lead time reduction is achieved, fast market response is the longer machines life is available. So, last one is the conclusion. Lean can be said as adding value by eliminating waste, being responsive to change, focusing on quality, and enhancing the effectiveness of the workforce. Although lean has its origin in the automobile industry, it is being successfully used in the other production industries. Lean manufacturing is now extended to fields like information technology and customer services, and mainly in health services also it is used. Since the lean is completely customer oriented, it is here to stay. It is also important as it emphasizes customer satisfaction. So, lean manufacturing system can be defined as a system that creates value for the customer by eliminating waste consistently. So, next are the references of the five research papers. So, thank you so much for listening me, and thank you.